What I'm about to show you will blow your mind. Have you been in that situation where you're carrying a leather belt on your shoulder and your hands start paining you because you've been carrying it for long? Yes, we all experience that because when you run through a long time event, you get to experience these things over and over. Here is a waist belt, a strap that goes around your waist that holds your camera firm. And it is very, very stable. No matter how it is, no matter how you run, you walk, you jump, you can run around with it. As you can see, I'm doing it on this particular video. You can run around with it to any angle and it fits very well. The most beautiful part about the belt is that at the end, the end part of the belt holds your camera firm for you so that no matter what you're doing, your camera don't start hitting your body. Then another thing I discovered about the belt is that it has a foam-like material built to the part where this thing has to stay in your body so that you don't start rubbing it in your trouser or whatever you're wearing. It stays on that. Now I'm wearing that belt. It doesn't look like I'm wearing the belt because I'm not carrying that heavy shoulder belt. Let me show you. This is how the belt looks. This is the belt, this is my camera. This is the hook that you get to hook to your camera, to your belt. So I have a foam here that stays on my body. So because this foam has to stay on my body, I don't have to start feeling on this part of my body where the camera is. It is very, very easy and free to carry. Now, if I want to drop back my camera, I just have to put it like this, turn it and rest it. So that alone saves my my screen from getting into any touch by anybody. My camera is hold firm. If I want to remove it, I cannot just drag it off no matter how it is. I have to press this button here before I can remove it. And this other part of the belt is so strong that you can rely on it. For the fact that I've not seen it in any camera shop in Nigeria before, I have not seen any photographer using it, that makes me feel like the first person to start using this in Nigeria. If you want to get one of these, do well to contact the Gills Vintage Concept on Instagram because they are the only ones that have it and it's very, very affordable. Do well to contact them now and thank me later. Once again, my name is Geetee and I will see you in my next video.